Hi everyone, I have been really busy getting ready to do some Christmas crafts. So today I have 3 Christmas crafts, mainly with all Dollar Tree items to show you guys. So if you would like to learn how to do these 3 really simple, easy crafts, please keep watching. So the first project is gift bag waller, and I have 5 versions to show you. So the ingredients of this is you're gonna need 2 frames and a cute gift bag. I got this little car one. It's so cute. I loved it so much. So yeah, these are basically the 2 things you need. So step 1, you want to cut up the bag into 2 pieces and remove the excess. So you just want the sides to be gone, and you really just want the front and back to be all you have. And step 2 is put the gift bag pieces into the frames, and literally that's it. So version 1, plain and simple. If you want to make it a little bit more bougie, version 2, you can add some Christmas flowers. So I had a red poinsettia, a gold one, and some of this holly berries. So I literally just glued the holly berries onto the sides and then put the flower in the middle of that and the gold one on top of that. And that's literally it for this one. So I loved how this one turned out as well. So this is version 2, super cute. And I really wanted to do this because I wanted to kind of keep that gift bag. I love the gift bag and I thought it was so adorable, but I always got sad to be like, oh no, I'm gonna have to give this away. So now I have a way to preserve that forever, and I just love how this turned out. Like, it looks so fancy. Version 3, you can just add letters and flowers. So you can have joy. This was actually my least favorite. Version 4, it had these red check ornaments with flowers that I found from Dollar Tree. So I got 2 of them. So all you have to do with this one is, if you want them with the flowers, you're just going to take that ornament and you're just going to glue it right into the center of that. And you want to glue the bottom of the truck and the tree because it sticks out a little bit. So yeah, you can see I'm just gluing the bottom on that part there, and then just gluing the tree part. Just add a chunk and it stays pretty well like that. And there you go. So that is version 4. This is my favorite. This is what I ended up with. I absolutely love this. It's hard and dark to see, but I have it in my kitchen around my table, and I love how it looks. And version 5 essentially is doing the same thing, but just taking the flowers out. So the red check ornament with flowers. So I love this one. I cannot believe how cheap that was. Project 2 is DIY snow globes. So for this one, you're going to need a globe. So I bought one from Dollar Tree. This is a globe from Dollar Tree, and I got a globe from Dollarama as well. So, they're honestly pretty much basically the same thing, and I think around the same price. So it doesn't matter. I got these little miniature village sets from Dollar Tree. So in my globe, I use this little Santa, so cute. I use little Mrs. Claus, and she has little cookies or muffins she's baking. It's so adorable. And just this little kind of stand light situation. So step 1 is glue the figurines onto the base of the globe. So at first I played around to make sure everything fit. When I liked the configuration, I just went ahead and glued them with the bottom. So this is super easy to glue on. You can see it sticks on very well. Step 2 will be to add your desired amount of glitter. So I used some white glitter and some silver glitter, and that's what it looks like. And then you just want to add water as your last step and then glue it into the base. With the water, you don't want to pour it all the way to the top. You want to do it on the bottom of the base there, and you glue it in, and bada bing bada boom, here is the finished result. Like, so stinking cute. I absolutely loved how this turned out. I honestly thought this wasn't going to be as much fun as it was. It was surprisingly way more fun to do. And I did this with my 3-year-old niece. So I had these Elsa and Anna little dolls from Dollar Tree, their little keychains. I took the keychains out and we made her a little Frozen globe. So she absolutely loved this one. We had a little tree we added. So yeah, this is a great and fun, easy way to make this for kids. And honestly, you can put anything in here. If you love Superman, if you just want a white Christmas tree, you can customize it however you want. And it's so easy. And the last project is a wreath or ornament centerpiece here, whatever you decide. So the ingredients of this one is you want some ornaments, some round balls. You want some large ones, medium size, and small ones. And you want like a wreath template. Like I use a styrofoam one. This is from Dollar Tree. And yeah, I just decided to use this one and a hot glue gun for this. So step 1 is to glue the large balls on the outside of the wreath frame. So you can see I go ahead and add some to the top, and then I add some glue to the side, and I feel like it is most secure in this way. And when I was making this, I was originally making this as a wreath like for a wreath for my door, but I just didn't end up liking how I looked, and I realized what my mistake is, and my mistake is what I'm doing right now is gluing the big balls in the center. I should have used the little balls. So if you want it exactly the same way I did, use big balls, but if you want it better, honestly, probably use the smaller balls. And then once you're done that, you want to glue the medium-sized balls in the middle of the wreath. Just kind of cover up as much as you can here. And then step 3 is just going to be to glue the small balls into the fill in any of the holes. And yeah, so you just want to make sure there's none of that wreath showing there. And yeah, go ahead and fill that up. And then also too, I added some gems, and I had some pearls I had from Dollar Tree, so I just kind of added a few of those as well. And so this is version 1 of the wreath, and it's not bad, but I don't know, I don't really love this. It's just something was off for me, so I'm not actually using it as a wreath, but I think it does look nice, but I didn't want it as a wreath, so I converted to something else. So version 2, the centerpiece, I got this like candle holder from Dollarama. You could use a tile like this from Dollar Tree as well, and I got some Dollar Tree deer ornaments, and I got a Dollar Tree vase and a candle, and I literally flipped that wreath, put all of that on top of there, and there you go. This is now a centerpiece in my living room. And I really love actually how this looks. So thank you so much for watching. Here were all my DIYs for some Christmas decorations from the Dollar Tree inspired. And so yeah, I'd love to hear which one you thought was your favorite. Was it the frame with the little car truck, or the globes, the Santa globe, or the frozen globe, or the centerpiece? Love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.